Good morning students, welcome to physics online class. In this video class, we are going to learn the topic magnification of a lens, lens maker's formula, power of a lens and difference between convex and concave lens. Students, like spherical mirror, we have magnification for spherical lenses also. Spherical lenses produce magnification and it is defined as the Students, magnification of a lens is defined as the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. Height of an object. So the letter M is denoted for the magnification. The small letter M is denoted for the magnification. And then if height of the object is h and the height of the image is h dash, so we can write the equation as M equal to height of the image divided by height of the object. So M equal to h dash divided by h is the formula for magnification of a lens. Also, it is related to the distance of the object and image. So as follow, M equal to distance of the image divided by distance of the object. So M equal to V divided by U, also another formula to calculate the magnification of the lens. Students, if the magnification is greater than 1, then we get an enlarged image. On the other hand, if the magnification is less than 1, then we will get a diminished image. So there are two formula to calculate the magnification of a image. So one is nothing but M equal to h dash divided by h and then another formula to calculate the magnification of a lens is M equal to V by U. Students, our next important topic is lens maker's formula. We know that all lenses are made up of transparent materials. So any optically transparent materials will have a refractive index. Here refractive index is a measure of how much light slow downs when it goes into a new medium, whether it may be water or glass or the atmosphere. So the refractive index is a measure of how much light slows down when it goes into a new medium. And then symbol for refractive index is N, and then N in vacuum equal to 1. So and then N in medium, so whether it may be glass medium or water medium. So C equal to speed of light in vacuum divided by v speed of light in medium, or simply n equal to c by v. So here the lens formula relates the focal length of a lens with the distance of object and image. So what is meant by focal length? The focal length is the distance between principal focus and optical center O. For any lens, the knowledge of radii of curvature of the lens is required. So this clearly indicates the need for an equation relating the radii of curvature of the lens. So the refractive index of the given material of the lens and the required focal length of the lens. The lens maker formula is one such equation is given as 1 by f equal to mu minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Students, here mu is the refractive index of the medium, of the material, and then r1 and r2 are the radii of curvature of the two faces of the lens. And then f is the focal length of the lens. Our next topic is power of a lens. Students, power of a lens is defined as the ability of the of a lens to converge So which type of lens will converge? Convex. So convex lens converge the light, and a concave lens diverge the light. So ability of a lens to converge or diverge. What type of lens will diverge? Concave. Concave lens is called as its power. So the power of a lens is defined as ability of a lens to converge or diverge is called as its power. Students, hence the power of a lens can be defined as the degree of convergence or divergence of light rays. So power of lens is numerically defined as the reciprocal of its focal length. So P equal to 1 by F in meter. So here P is nothing but power and F is the focal length. And then SI unit of power of a lens is diopter. It is represented by the symbol capital D. SI unit of power of lens is SI unit is diopter. And then it is represented by the symbol capital D. If focal length is expressed in meter, then the power of lens is expressed in capital D. Thus, 1D is the power of lens whose focal length is 1 meter. So, 1D equal to 1 per meter, or simply P equal to 1 by F. So, F is the focal length which we will measure in meter. So, P equal to 1 by M, or P equal to 1 per M, 1 per meter. So, 1 diopter equal to 1 per meter. So, this is important 1 mark question. And then by convention, the power of lens, convex lens, power of a convex lens is positive, and then power of a concave lens is taken as negative. So, important 1 mark question. So, power of a convex lens is taken as positive and the power of a concave lens is taken as negative. Differences between a convex lens and a concave lens. Students, this is very important 2 mark question. So, convex lens is a thicker in the middle than at edge, and then concave lens is thinner in the middle than at the edge. So, this is the first difference between. So, convex lens is thick at the middle and thin at the edge, and then concave lens is thinner in the middle and thick at the edge. And then convex lens is a converging lens. It converges all the light rays at a particular point. And then concave lens is a diverging lens. So it split the light rays, and then it produce mostly real images. So convex lens produce real images, and then concave lens produce virtual images. And then last one, it is used to treat hypermetropia. It is a one of eye defect, hypermetropia. The person can able to see the distant object clearly, but they cannot able to see the near object distinctly. So that type of eye defect is known as hypermetropia. And then concave lens is used to treat myopia. So myopia person can able to see the near object clearly, but they cannot able to see the distant object distinctly. So that type of defect is known as myopia.